XAG V-Series agricultural drone, innovative twin-rotor flying platform, kickstarting the future of agriculture. The V-Series is reimagined based on XAG's vast accumulation. Different from traditional multi-rotor drones, it adopts the tilting twin-rotor structure, significantly improving aircraft performance and energy efficiency. Breakthroughs in material science and manufacturing technology dramatically reduce the mass and volume of the V-Series, making it more flexible and efficient during flight and transportation. The twin-rotor structure has a more concentrated wind field with multiple aerodynamic optimizations. Spray penetration is over twice that of traditional crop protection drone. Modular design allows for rapid switching of task systems. It can switch freely between field mapping, precision spraying, and intelligent broadcast functions, fulfilling a wide range of operation scenarios. The whole machine has IP67 protection, easily dealing with harsh operation environments and simplifying daily maintenance. The arm and propeller fold over doubly, which reduces handling volume by a third, effectively saving space and reducing cost. The bionic design reduces noise by mimicking the posture and movements of a bird to make every flight beautiful. The V-Series equips with the Super X4 intelligent control system, which perfectly combines strong AI algorithms and high-performance power assembly with flexible task systems to easily realize fully autonomous field mapping, precision spraying, and broadcast operations. It is the perfect partner for all your digital agricultural needs. The highly integrated Super X4 intelligent control system integrates flight control, environmental perception, data transmission, RTK navigation, and 5G extended functions. Significant improvement of the chip's hash rate gives V-Series the most intelligent functionality. The terrain radar, front dynamic radar, and top view radar provide accurate perception and obstacle avoidance capabilities, which makes flying safer than ever. PSL Pilot Perspective Image clearly displays field conditions and makes it possible to adapt in complex environments. The V-Series fully supports XAG AI prescription map, which can provide variable rate application based on crop growth, effectively reducing pesticide and environmental pollution. As the flagship model of the XAG V-Series agricultural drone, the V40 has powerful performance and amazing efficiency. With an effective load of 20 kilograms, it can go with XAG RevoSpray, RevoCast, and RealTerra systems to achieve intelligent and fully autonomous field operations. XAG RealTerra combines high-resolution optical imaging and AI processing chips. It takes images on fully autonomous flight for field boundary recognition, tree identification, mapping, and 3D modeling. A 7-hectare HD field map can be generated within 10 minutes. The XAG RevoSpray has a more advanced centrifugal atomization spraying technology, which allows adjustable droplet size between 60 to 400 microns and increases maximum flow to 10 liters per minute. The effective spray width under the twin-rotor wind field is up to 10 meters. The XAG RevoCast redefines granular broadcast with a variable spiral feeder and a dual centrifugation wide-spreading disc. It can achieve an efficiency of up to 40 kilograms per minute with unprecedented uniformity. The new smart lithium polymer battery is built stronger, smarter, and safer. Its IP65 protection allows speedy charge in water. AgriFuture, here and now. Are you ready?